Welcome to Easy Cooking channel. Today I am going to make a very easy tomato soup. It's one of my daughter's favorite too. So first let us add 2 green chili and see a small 2 leaves of mint leaves and 5 garlic cloves, 5 shallots, a chopped ginger this much of chopped ginger. That's it. Let's caramelize. Let's caramelize. I am caramelizing in a small cube of butter. First I add a small cube of butter. I waited until it melts. Then I am caramelizing all these onions, garlic, a small piece of ginger, 2 mint leaves and 2 green chili, everything. Now I am going to add 2 big size of tomatoes, just like this. Because you are going to boil it, so you don't have to cut the tomatoes. That's it. So after adding the tomatoes, you don't have to caramelize or fry it more. This is enough. Okay. Just add 2 cups of water. So this is the size of the cup. It's a universal cup. It is available everywhere. So this is it. Let's close it and wait for 1 whistle. I'm using a pressure cooker, so I'm going to close it. Like this and put in a medium flame. I'm going to wait for 1 whistle. That's it. After that I will show you what we have to do. After that we have to use a blender and blend it and make it as a soup. Okay, after the ingredients are cooked, I just cooled it. I blend it in a blender and see the soup. So I'm going to add the homegrown basil, cilantro, some homegrown basils, some cilantro. If you want, you can add some salt and pepper to taste. So now I'm going to add the homemade cheese. Voila! Simple tomato soup is ready. I actually made eggplant parmesan, homegrown eggplant parmesan. So as a side dish, I made this soup. It's one of my daughter's favorite dish too. And here it is. It's very, very simple to make, and it's very easy, and it's very healthy too. It contains onion, garlic, ginger, green chili, mint leaves, and tomato. That's it. Very simple ingredient. It's everything you can get in Walmart or you can get in any grocery stores.